What's up, YouTube? Today we got something totally different, something very strange. Dungeons and Dragons collector's cards from the 1992, I guess. There's the front, very nice. There's the back. They were $1. They still seem to be $1 because I picked up 6 of these for $6. No, not $6, $5 at a flea market. And so yeah, I'm assuming these aren't fake. They seem legit. TSR seal's nice, but we'll get to cracking. I guess these packs are from 92. 92 TSR. I have no idea what the cards look like, so me and you are both in for a surprise. Hopefully they're not black and white. Bullshit. Oh man, it looks like we got some cardboard BS. There's the empty pack. Yeah. Cardboard BS. Literal cardboard, not even good cardstock. Well, I have no idea what's up with these, but wow. Those are really fucking cool. AD&D. Second edition. They look like magic cards, except there's nothing on them. Equipment background. I guess you're supposed to use this with your Dungeons and Dragons game. And here we get to Dragonlance. So there's the end of D&D. There's some more D&D. I have no idea what these symbols indicate. Here's Greywild, whatever the fuck that is. Forgotten Realms, that's just some D&D spin-off. Spelljammer. Am I reading that right? Spelljammer. Dragonlance. Greyhawk. Pandro. Forgotten Realms. Pendleton Merryweather. It's a nice little hobbit there for you. There's another little hobbit for you. Wallingford Greenhill. So I guess we'll open just these 3 packs. It's unknown if there's any type of foils or anything in here. Fuck it, let's just crack it like that. Who knows what these cards were actually used for? It's just another forgotten trading card game. Ooh, Bollop's Dead End. Hopefully we'll see some even cooler art here. Werefox. Werebore. It's looking good, guys. Locananth. Kilmalus. Finally getting some monsters. That's really cool. I don't like all these people. It's kind of fucking boring. Show me some dope monsters. Alanic Ray. Because what's the point of D&D other than to go through the fucking monster manual and look at all the cool monsters? Just kidding. But I frequently did that as a kid before I could ever actually play D&D. I would just go through the monster manual and look at all the cool monsters and all the cool art, and it was just the most fun thing ever. I would bring that shit to school and just like sit there and look through the monster manual like a fag. But last pack. I guess there's no foils. Sorry if I offended anybody with that last comment. You know, it's 2018. It's coming to the end of 2018, actually, guys. I'm not sure if you guys are aware of that. But Ultra PC culture. Alright. Pinmiro, 2nd level Bard. Magical Wand, kinda cool. Magical Wand. Alright. Magical Wand. Here Sphinx. Cool, we got another monster. That's dope. Spectre, another monster. Show me some skeletons. I just always love the undead art. You know what I'm saying, boy? Welgen. Javert. That's actually a cool character card. Tassup. Gilona. Jalazari Salavarian. Nice name, babe. I'll just call you Jal. Yo, what's up, Fen? What's up, Ard? Yo, duh. Hey. Pin picking them. Alright, guys. So there's no such thing as foils when it comes to TSR collector's cards, just to let you guys know. Pretty cool cards. Not really, actually. But, I guess if you play D&D, they're kind of cool. I'm not sure what the fuck they're used for. But there you go. 3 packs. I'll empty it out. Thanks for watching, guys. And if you've even watched any of my videos, just want to let you know, you the trio motherfucking G, dog. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned for more.